Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect YouTube or your YouTube account to your TV. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and navigate to your app section and find YouTube. Okay. Go ahead and select it. Use your remote. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, if you're being landed to YouTube Kids, don't worry. You can just go ahead over and navigate to the top left and select YouTube Kids. And after that, at the bottom, you have Exit YouTube Kids. Okay, select it. And then once done, as you can see here, we have an Add Account button. All right. Or if you want to, you can go ahead and watch as a guest. So basically select Add Account. And then in here, you can go ahead and sign in with your phone by scanning this QR code. Or go ahead over to yt.be/activate. And then all you got to do is enter the code from here and sign in with your Google account. Okay. Or you could just go ahead and manually sign in with using your TV remote. And here, just write down your email address or Gmail. And then after that, go ahead and tap on Next. And you'll basically do the same thing. All right. So tap on Next. And it will reload YouTube. Wait for it a bit. There you go. And as you can see, it says the same thing. On your phone or computer, go to yt.be/activate and enter this code. And then after you enter the code, just basically sign in with your Google account. And after that, your TV will refresh or YouTube app will refresh. And once done, you should be good to go. You'll be able to see your account in here. Select it if you want to use it. All right. And that is how you connect your YouTube account to TV. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.